Good day, Mambless. This is my entertainment experience pitch. An unforgettable entertainment experience. Entertainment plays an important role in our lives because it allows us to relax, enjoy, and momentarily escape from stress. One of my most memorable entertainment experience was watching a live performance that left a lasting impression on me. As the lights demand and the music began, the atmosphere instantly changed. The energy of the performers, the colorful lights, and the enthusiastic crowd create an exciting and joyful mood. Every song performance felt alive, making the experience more engaging than watching on screen. What made the experience special was the connection between a performers and audience. People laughed, sang along, and shared the moment together and reminded me that entertainment is not just about watching. It, it is about feeling emotion, creating memories, and bonding with others. After the event, I felt refreshed and inspired. The experience helped me forget my worries, even for a short time, and appreciate the power of art and creativity. It showed me how entertainment can bring happiness and unite people from different backgrounds. In conclusion, entertainment experiences are more meaningful when they are shared and felt deeply. They provide joy, inspiration, and memories that stay with us long after the show ends.